Hello everyone. So today evening we are going to continue the fourth part of my tutorial of how to use DWEBAPP. And today we're going to discuss on how to, add print documents. I need to print invoice or challan or dispatch or even payslip. So even this kind of things are required as an output document. So how do we do that in DWEBAPP without coding? So let's see today how we do that. So I get back to the process master, and as all of us know that we are doing sample demo with a particular module called employees, and I've already added a few payslip components in that particular module. So let's once check what is there. So there's a basic details form which has users basic information, and there is two components of that payslip, which is earning and deductions. Now if I have to put a output document, but I can best take an example of any, I can go to ChatGPT, ask give me a HTML code for payslip print, and this one. Yes. So now ChatGPT gives me the HTML code of how to print a payslip. Now this can be a little exaggerated as per the ChatGPT module. Anybody who knows basic HTML will be more resourceful in this scenario to set up the document once. Even our team do assist you in the same process using our valid SRs. Now, if I see all of these components are already there, as you can see here, and what I can do, I can just copy it, and I can go to dashboard, I can go to template master and add a template. Template is print document. I have more options over here, but we will go in details one by one. Today we focus on print document, so we'll click on print document. It will be a payslip print, and I'll put the code here. Okay. So like this kind of adjustment, the entire code didn't came. I knew an HTML a bit, so I could do it easily. Like that, if anybody who is already aware of HTML is a better resource to do this particular process. Because see the employee name. So we have a name in the ChatGPT default, but we have to put the code over here like this. So anything under double braces is considered to be a variable which can be changed in the setup. So like that I can do for the other ones also. The other data which we do not have probably because this is a demo document has always been told. And then we go for earnings, right? So we already have earnings. We have multiple TDs. We do not need this, so we can delete it, and we can mention the particular earning amount, and I can put this as one document. So this is how I can configure it in the deduction. Now the same way in the deductions we can do. Whatever I'm naming right now are variables. So all are these fields which I can configure, I can change. You already know that we have done a net pay calculation, so I can also put that here. Once this is done, the print document has been saved, and this is the output. As you can see, I'll go here and I can configure an output document. So I went here, I selected the print document. It automatically gives me the template name. If I select the template and go, then it will give me the fields. As soon as the fields are here, I can select like its name, so it's employee name, which is code, the code. Then if it is a PAN, then I'll just map the fields. PAN number particular is earning, so I'll go total, no, not total earning, particular. So this is done. Rest of the things are already there. So if I save it, this is done. Now let's do one entry and see the output. Say we go to our master employees. Here we can do an entry called DWEB 6 tape number. So let's do this. He's working, and let's put his earning. So I'm just putting some basic information. Please do not go to the integrity of what kind of payslip I'm putting it, because this is just an arbitrary numbers. This is just an arbitrary number, and I saved it, right? So now if I go there and I take a print, see, let me zoom it once. How do I zoom it? Let me save that as PDF. Let me save that as PDF, and we take a, okay. This here you can see it is the company name. I did not change, so it is the demo company name. Over here you see the name is Amit Dev. Employee code is the one that we have entered. PAN number, the basic, DA, HRA, And all the designing part, like you have to put it on the right line, left line, anything centralized you have to do, you can do it in the HTML part and you can configure it. So it's very easy to do a normal configuration, normal HTML, and put it on the template master, and then go and do the setups in the process master, and you are ready with the print document. Like this, you can do any number of print documents over one particular module. So print document generally, which used to take hours earlier, now takes minutes. Using DWEBAPP will solve most of your time management problems, and mostly the most important part that it solves is the iteration between the client and the developers. Like, you give a feedback, but then there will be some changes which is coming from the client. Most of the time it can be small changes, but it can be also big changes which the client do not understand to be the bigger one, and hence it takes a lot of time at your end, and the irritation increases between the client and the developer while the development process is going on. But with using the DWEBAPP, you can drastically reduce this particular portion and give a better quality product service and give a better quality service to your customers. So that's the primary motto for our DWEBAPP. DWEBAPP is for customers, is the fastest way to get anything live and activated as per their own processes, and have that you know advantage of any kind of ready-made product that is available in the market, which gives them biggest advantage of not going for any QC or testing. It gives that assurance to the client. For developers, if you are using this for your clients to serve the solutions, or any auditors, those who are basically in the SOP implementations or something, they can also refer this to their clients, because for them it gives the ease of delivering a particular prototype, particular SOPs, customer to customer customized, and that too on time. So that's for today. Tomorrow we'll see another quick fix, quick solution that you can do it with DWEBAPP, and we'll continue the series till all the features are actually covered. So which is going to take at least 2 months for sure, but this is going to come in small and bits pieces. Main purpose is so that you have this as a document also while doing it to your end. So tomorrow, if you forget, come back, study, check my video, and do it again. That's all the time I have taken today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel. That actually motivates us to do more videos and understand that the customers are taking this or not in the good positive way. That just helps us. That just motivates us. So please subscribe and like the video and share it with someone who may really need it. Thank you.